In front of me is Nokia 6300 from 2020, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset, how to restart this device. So all you need to do is to tap on this button, like the third on the right side, and hold it for a while, and then tap on restart. Tap on select then, and wait until your device is restarted. And that's it. As you can see, now you can use your device again. So that will be all. This is how you can perform a restart of your Nokia. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.